Hi there, welcome to the channel. Today we are making this colorful crunchy veggie stir fry served with fluffy rice and tender chicken. A simple wholesome plate you will love. Let's get prepping. First up, peel your carrots and trim off the edges. Simple clean cuts make the julienning easier. Next, cut off the edges of your zucchinis. Same thing, neat and tidy, ready for slicing. Now julienne your carrots into thin stripes. This helps them cook quickly while still keeping a nice crunch. Once done, place them in a bowl. Moving on to the zucchinis, same julienne cut. They will cook fast and soak up all those spices later. Put them together with the carrots, and don't throw away those carrots and zucchini scraps. You can cube or grate them and use it in soup, stews, or even a veggie omelette. Now grab your red bell peppers and your yellow bell peppers. Cut round the stems, then remove the seeds and membranes. This keeps everything clean and avoids any bitter bites. Slice your peppers in stripes. I made mine a little thicker than the carrots and zucchinis, so I'll keep them in a separate bowl. They'll need a slightly longer cook time. Next up, slice your white onions. Feel free to use whatever onions you have on hand. Red onions, spring onions, or even shallots would work great here. Add them to the carrots and zucchini bowl. Look at those prepared veggies, so colorful, fresh and ready for the wok. Now let's heat up some oil in our wok until it's nice and hot. In goes the bell peppers first. Listen to that sizzle. That's how you know you're doing it right. Stir them around and let them cook for about 3 minutes. Now add the rest of your veggies, the carrots, zucchini and onions. Stir everything together so it cooks evenly and stays dry brown. Time to season. A good pinch of sea salt, some black pepper, and then your spices. I'm using ground coriander, cumin and paprika today. Stir well, coat everything and cook for your preferred level of crunch. I like mine with a bit of a bite, but you can soften them more if you'd like. And don't forget the detailed step-by-step recipes up on the website. And there you have it, bright, beautiful and full of flavor. Serve it up as a side with rice and chicken, or pair it with any of your favorite mains. This stir-fry works with just about everything. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned because I've got a 1-pot chicken and rice video coming up real soon. And see you on the next one. Remember to check on the already existing videos here on the channel.